Not over my dead body. That was the strong warning given to people who deliberately dump garbage into gullies and expect a job. Minister of Local Government and Rural Development McKenzie made it known while making his sectorial debate presentation in Gordon House on Wednesday.
There are persons in this country who believe that if I dump my garbage in the gully and in the drain, it is going to generate jobs. Not over my dead body. It is not going to happen. You're not going to stick up this government because of nastiness, Madam Speaker. Madam Speaker, this government has done everything in its power to provide trucks, to improve conditions, Madam Speaker. We need the buy-in. And the negative arguments, Madam Speaker, when we go out there and we criticize the MSWMA, we are not suggesting and begging our constituents to dispose of garbage in the way that it ought to be done, Madam Speaker. As a country, we need to have some civic pride.
He strongly defended the National Solid Waste Management Authority, NSWMA, and placed some of the blame on residents.
And I hear people talking about the state of the country with garbage collection. Madam Speaker, nobody can deny that there's a breakdown of garbage collection. And we all know why. Because if we had the 100 trucks that was committed, Madam Speaker, some of the arguments that we're hearing now, we wouldn't be hearing those arguments, Madam Speaker. But, Madam Speaker, this country, Madam Speaker, need to take a stand. Is it lip service we're giving, or we want to genuinely see a clean country, Madam Speaker? I have not heard anybody within organizations encouraging communities to dispose of their garbage. Every day you beat up on solid waste, say they're not doing the job. Madam Speaker, if this government provide a garbage truck for every community in Jamaica, it will not change. The minds of the people have to change first, Madam Speaker.
He also had words for the construction industry and used car dealerships.
We're seeing where developers carrying out construction has taken all of our sidewalks, our bus stops. They deposit the sand, the gravel on the ground. The public cannot access the roadways, Madam Speaker. The sidewalks are taken. Madam Speaker, we had a very positive meeting yesterday. Used car dealers, Madam Speaker, they don't need home lots again. They use the sidewalks, our roads. Madam Speaker, I am using the floor of this parliament to say that I want Jamaica to join us in returning public order back to our streets, Madam Speaker.